What if I want to add a page and link to some information about a specific topic or activity that the individual I'm working with really needs vocabulary around? Perhaps if we went into activities, I want to our toys, and maybe I want to add in dollhouse play, not doll play, which is more about the doll itself, but playing with the dollhouse. So I want to edit this button and link to a page. The way that I do that is go into my settings and editing menu, click on the button I want to edit, and then add in dollhouse. And we might look for a symbol, see if there's anything there that comes up. Like, I'll just use one of these other these house options. Click done, and then we actually want to link that to a page template. So when I click on link to the page on the left-hand side, I've got options here. And I know that it's a template I want to use, so I'm going to click on link to a copy of a page. And then that shows me all of the existing pages that are here, including the template pages. So scroll right down until you get to the headings for PODD, because these are all the other pages you've got options for. And if we come down, we've got page, pop-up and pop-up no turn. There's another video I've done on where you might add a pop-up. Usually a pop-up might be more related to a list of related terms, so a list of nouns relating to fruits or people, things like that. Whereas a page will copy across a whole lot of the content around deleting words and some of the function buttons, as well as some vocabulary that you might need. So we'll click on page, give it a name. This one is going to be dollhouse, and click create. And now you can see that that button has changed to a folder shape, and it will link to the page that you've just created the template for. So if you want to go to that page within editing, the best way to do that and the easiest way is just to double click on the button if you're using a mouse for editing, or double tap if you've got a touch screen. And here we are on our page. So you can see that there's a whole lot of blank buttons, but there's a whole lot of the function words and some of the other vocabulary we might need to construct our sentence when we're talking about the dollhouse. So then we might go in and then edit individual buttons related to words around playing with the dollhouse. And that's how you would add a page into TD Snap PODD.